books. The Carnegie Medal is a medal that follows a shortlist created by librarians across the country. They judge the books and decide who wins, and there's different ones, the Cape Greenway and the Carnegie Medal. The criteria is based on plot, description and overall how enjoyable the book is. The chosen librarians read 150 books, which go down to a long list and then a short list, which we read. Here are the reviews.
October, a very sweet, heartfelt book made better through intricate illustrations and a heartwarming storyline. The main character is relatable, bringing the story closer to home.
Moa is to be a cane warrior and fight for all the enslaved people in the nearby plantations. But before they can escape, Moa and his friend Keviton must face their first great task, to kill their overseer.
The Crossing was a well-written book. However, I did not like the layout as it was from two perspectives. If you enjoy books that are like poems and are from different perspectives, then this is the book for you.
When the Sky Falls was a really well-written book and an interesting story about a zoo during World War II. I really enjoyed the setting and humour, but it's quite anticlimactic and takes a while to quicken up the pace.
A really interesting and compelling novel with very interesting plot twists. This depicts stories of many people with all different types of situations.
Punching the Air is a heart-wrenching true story based on real people. I thoroughly enjoy reading it and would recommend it to everyone.
Guard Your Heart is not your normal romance novel. Set in an iconic time, we're introduced to Aidan and Iona, both born on the day of the Northern Ireland peace deal. The reader is taken on a complicated journey of love, conflict and crime.
Tsunami Girl is a novel with a moving storyline about a girl whose relatives passed away in a tsunami. It is illustrated with comics that help to illustrate the story. I'd say that the writing style is a little bland and that the drawings aren't frequent enough, but I enjoyed it anyway.
And the winner is October. This truly inspirational and lyrical masterpiece of a book is something that really fascinates me. The storyline is interesting and intriguing, and that is why it deserves the award of the Shadowers' Choice and the Carnegie Medal.